This weekend is India's Independence Day, where millions will celebrate the country's 79th birthday of gaining independence from the UK, the year before Israel was recognized for sovereignty as well. And we're celebrating in studio with a yummy kosher Indian feast and an adorable couple. Please welcome Liran and Binyamin Khalifa of Kosher India. Hello, and thank you for being here.
Thank you.
First of all, you have such an adorable story. You grew up in an Orthodox home in India. First of all, before you met, what was it like? How important were Jewish traditions and rituals growing up in India, and how much was it the same and merged with the the Indian culture?
So I grew up in a very traditional Jewish family. We kept kosher, which is kind of difficult and easy at the same time because we don't have a rabbanut, but everything we know what is vegetarian, non-vegetarian, so it's really good. My family is very strict on kashrut. Shabbat keeping was a bit difficult because, you work and everything. Mm-hmm. But kosher keeping is the base of everything. Yom Tov and all the Chagim. So, very traditional
It's incredible.
Jewish family.
And listen, India is a place people spend so much money to go have experiences there. You decided to make Aliyah sight unseen. You end up in Ulpan, and then you meet this guy. How God has plans. You make plans, God has his own plans.
Yeah.
So what happened? You saw her in Hebrew class, and you just said, oh, my gosh.
I came on January 2012, and the day after I came, she was there, and it was like...
Love at first sight.
Yeah, exactly.
And you're from France. Let's clarify this. So, and was it love at first sight for you?
No.
How did he convince you to give him a chance?
I worked hard.
You did?
Oof, very hard.
Romantic French, flowers. So now you are married. You have a business. You're merging your cuisine. So tell us about Kosher India, how this came about, and tell us.
So now we have a family, we have 4 kids, and every time we cook in the house, we have French cuisine, we have Algerian cuisine, we have Israeli cuisine because we love Israeli food too, and we have Indian. So in our house, we want the kids to be open to all the cultures, and Ben loves meat. And I grew up eating not so much meat. Mm-hmm. So this is like Kosher India. It began with this thing that we want to bring in our house, Indian meat food, which is also in Israel not so known, especially kosher meat food is not known. And I wanted my kids also to know about the fact that in India we have meat and we have all spices and everything, but everything is kosher too. It's doesn't have to be non-kosher food.
Right, I understand. When you're in India, it's going to be how you're going to find kosher meat. It's not that it's meat; it's that getting the kosher part is not so common. Okay, so you're filling a really good niche. You're not a restaurant. You're not a caterer. You're actually bringing the experience. So explain what we have here and what people that want to learn and participate and enjoy some good food will get from the experience as I already start eating.
So we propose really something like experience, not just basic catering, or it's not a restaurant either, like you said. We have events. People contact us for their birthday, bar mitzvah, things like that. Mm-hmm. We have also workshops for people who want to learn and, do it at home again. Yeah. We have, like you said, basari is our main thing, but we have also vegetarian, vegan, halavi, depends on people. And we have also company events.
Amazing. And how's it working? I'm sure, again, food variety is not the biggest thing here. I struggle myself unless you're in Tel Aviv or, it's hard to find the variety. So I imagine people are eating this up.
Yeah. Most of the time I get very nice feedbacks from people because certain dishes that I have created over the time for my family and now for everyone else. For example, butter chicken.
Yes. Okay. So tell us what we got.
So butter chicken.
So good. I want to eat the whole thing. Okay.
Butter chicken originally has butter in it, and the sauce is made with cream and everything. Mm-hmm. But because of the kosher version, I have completely transformed it, and that's one of our signature.
Grab some kind of utensil.
What?
Yes.
I don't have before. Okay. So this is not something you could make so easily kosher.
No.
No. So what have you done to make it?
Also, another thing that is, a lot of people think Indian food requires to compensate the yogurt, people put coconut milk. Mm-hmm. But it's not true. Okay. You don't have to always use coconut milk or cream. So you use cashews, and
I see. You use the cashew milk. Mm-hmm. All right, so what else do you have? What else are your
okay, so we have parvenan, and we have samosas that everyone loves in Israel so much, right?
know,
Everyone
'cause it's
asks us
really
for
hard to get
samosas
them
all
here.
the time.
Yes.
But then I have something that's called beef samosas. Yeah, with
Bring
beef.
it on. Bring it on.
Go ahead. Ben, can you
We
pass?
love food. We love Independence Days of countries because then we never use them. So what goes into it when you're planning an event or an experience? You build it obviously around their own taste. So what are you finding people are requesting? So good. It's delicious.
What's the request of people?
Yeah.
You have of course, many people interested in basari, in meat.
Yeah.
You have also
bet.
many people who are very strong vegetarians.
Yeah.
And then they come in touch with us from our Instagram, like kosher.india, from our website, kosher-india.com.
So people are finding it.
Yeah, and then we build an entire customized experience around them. We ask them what do they want, what do they like, what event, like what type of food, and then we also advise them on the menu. So it's like really customized to the event.
Yeah, because we want them to experience it. We want them to enjoy it.
And then to pass it on themselves and then to learn the whole thing rather than just knowing a meal. This is so delicious. I'm so happy to meet you, and you're such an amazing couple, and I'm wishing you such success. You're both rocking it.
Thank you.
Thank you both so much.
Thank you very much.
And be sure, of course, to go to Kosher India. They have an Instagram platform, and we really appreciate it. So happy Independence Day to India. We love India. And that is all from Jewish World Weekly this week. I'm Emily Francis. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you back here next week.